lakad nga lang. Let's go. This way. Dapat dito na pababa. Tarik. Ma'am, dito po. Nakakasya din ba? Ayun. Afternoon po. Okay na. Taas ah. Baby. Oo, dito na pala ganun. It's so nice. Ayan. Hello D crew! Welcome to another series. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Puerto Galera 2025 series natin. So, I'm very excited kasi this is Solo Travel. Well, if you wanna know kung ano yung mga gagawin ko dito sa Puerto Galera, just check out the series. Ipapublish ko siya after ng Baguio series ko. So, hopefully, you like the Baguio series. Ngayon, mas elevated na tayo. We have a new camera. Hindi nga lang siya nagsisinungaling. So, hindi tayo makinis dito sa camera na to. But again, I think it's just the experience na yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, yeah. So, without further ado, this episode is for a room tour. So, nandito ako ngayon, nag-book ako sa AV Suites via Airbnb. I think around 5K ko siya nakuha for 3 days and 2 nights, which is a good catch. Kasi, sa Puerto Galera, sa White Beach mismo, yung mga front beach na resorts, ganun din pumapatak, 2 to 3K a night. Tapos hindi maganda yung mga rooms. So ngayon, I tried to scour the internet and I found, of course, sa Airbnb ako lagi nagtitiwala for bookings and for accommodation. So nakita ko itong AV Suites and matagal ko na siya talaga gusto puntahan kasi parang napaka-classy, napaka-elite, tingnan, at hindi naman ako nagkamali. I was very impressed. And pagka punta ko lang, pag-check-in ko pa lang, they're very nice. Si ma'am na hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan niya. Later kukunin ko na lang. Yeah, so yun lang, may deposit na 2,000 per room, which is okay kasi makukuha niyo siya pag check out niyo. So yun, without further ado, let's go on the room tour. Room tour muna to, so yung buong facilities nung itong suite is ipapakita ko siya on my next coming vlogs sa series. So, yeah, let's go. First up, ito pala is parang villa type din, pero more rooms siya. Mag-isa ka lang sa isang row. Tapos ito, bago na yan, bagong suite na yan. Ito yung suite natin. So, makikita nyo is yung view, napakaganda. Yan. May mga mas mahal na suite dito sa side na to kasi nandito yung kubo, yung pool and everything. But okay na rin to. I mean, look at the view. Look at that. oh. Look at that. So, meron ditong veranda. Very spacious. Yan. So, ito na yung room natin. Let's check. So, pagpasok nyo, saan natin yung pinto para makita nyo is the door. Ayan. And then, we have switches. And then, key card. And then, AC control. Ayan. And then, meron din tayo dito mismong generator. Switch. Switch lang siya. And then, we have AC there. And then, I think that's the Wi-Fi. Not sure. Hindi yan. So, ayan. Then, we have mga mood lights. Ito sa side, pagpasok nyo is TV. We have a cute flower vase. And then, yan. Then they have housekeeping details if you like. And what I like about this is, meron silang guidebook. If you're not familiar, yung guidebook, usually nakikita ko lang siya sa mga elite na mga, alam niyo yun, elite na mga accommodations. So, dito yung mga house rules, and then dito yung mga menu, mga massage offers. Yun nga lang guys ha, medyo pricey ito. Itong accommodation na to, I think hindi siya pang yung, budget travel, pero kung you're looking for an experience, why not? So yan, check ko yan later, yung mga pwede natin gawin. And this is the breakfast menu. Then, gagamitin natin yan mamaya sa dinner natin. Hindi yung breakfast, of course. Yung dinner natin. And then, we have happy hour, 4 p.m. So, tingnan ko kung available to kasi. Yeah. Mag-swimming tayo sa gabi. Mag-night swimming tayo. Parang feeling ko mag-night swimming. And then, we have a Wi-Fi password provided naman na. Then, follow them on their social media. Ayan. Baka naman, AB Sweets. So, yan. Ay, saan yung dinner? Parang hindi ko nakita. Ito yung menu. Ito na yung normal nilang mga pagkain. Yan. Yan siya. Mura lang din. I mean, for an experience, mura pa siya. Hindi siya yung super mahal. Yan. And then, dito na tayo sa kabilang side, which is yung bed. So, deluxe double room ata yung pangalan niya. Deluxe double suite. Oo, parang ganun. So, dalawang bed siya. Parang double bed din to, no? And then, winelcome nila ako. Cute. They're very warm. And then, they have nuts. Ito pang design lang siya. Then, the signage. Makeup and do not disturb. We have 2 towels provided. Then 2 pillows for each. So since ako lang mag-isa dito, I have 4. Then 4 towels. Diba? Ang galing. And then dito yung mga racks. Yung pwede nyo sabitan ng mga damitin nyo. And all dito yung mga pwede rin mga toiletries and everything. Yan. Then sa side, dito is your water, coffee. Hindi ko natanong kung complimentary siya, but I think so kasi coffee lang naman yan hindi naman yan mahal. Ayan, update ko kayo kung may bayad yung coffee niya. And then, we have of course yung kettle, and then we have here our vanity mirror, and we have a sink and a hand soap, and they provided dental kits and slippers for 2. So since tong room na to is for 2 siya, I have a trash bin there. Ito, chinek ko na to siya, wala siyang laman. This is mini fridge, pero it's open, so you can put anything there you like. Okay, so nandito tayo. Pinaka-importante part ng accommodation is the restroom. So saan ka makakita ng around 2K per night na ganito yung CR? So, ito yung pinagtataka ko, ba't nandito sa taas? Pero, regardless, baka gusto niyo ng excitation, nandiyan din siya. Then you have bowl and trash bin, may bidet, which is very important. Then we have mood lights, and we have body soaps, hair. Then we have shower head. And ikaw pa natatry ito, palitan ko kayo kung okay siya. In terms of warm, kung maganda i-control or what. So, yan siya. Pag sinara niyo pala siya, guys, nandito siya. Ganyan. So, kunwari, meron kayong ka-office mates or friends na gustong dalhin dito or ito yung maging accommodation niyo. I think yung privacy naman is okay. Kung okay kayo dito. Yun. So, yun, guys. Ito lang yung room tour, ha? Room tour lang to for this episode. This would be my first episode for the series. Ito na. Committed na ako. Room tour is always the first episode, and then the next coming episodes would be the entire series. So, huwag kayong magugulat kung may mga nag-overlap na video, ganyan. Again, thank you so much for the support for those who already subscribed. If you have not yet already, please like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga nangangailangan ng mas magandang feel ng accommodation. And if you need one, let me know. Bigay ko yung link nitong Airbnb, which is Airbnb. Type nyo lang siya, AV Suites. At alam ko sa trip.com, sa booking.com, sa Agoda, mas mababa pa yung rate niya. Pero guys, I think, nung chinek ko to last year, around April, itong room na to, exact room, kasi nakuha ko siya 5K for 3 days and 2 nights, right? Ngayon, off-season, off. Pero pag on-season, pag peak season na, tumataas to. Like 10, 15K. So, yun. If you wanna experience it, nasa inyo naman yan. So, yeah. Again, wait for the series. I'm very excited. This is the first solo travel again for 2025. Marami pa yan. And, yeah. Kung may questions kayo about this accommodation, just follow their social media or comment down below. So, yeah, that's it. Mamaya, ang plan is magdi-dinner, magpo-pool, baka magpa-massage tayo, experience natin yung cocktails and everything. Dito muna tayo. And then tomorrow, we'll explore the island. So, punta na tayo ng White Beach. So, kasi kanina, gusto ko sana mag-dinner sa White Beach. Baka puntahan natin mamaya. Baka lang. I cannot commit kasi magdi-dinner nga ako around 4 or 5 p.m. So, baka sobra naman din yung pagkain. So, let's see. Yun. Overall feel, maganda, maaliwalas. Nakita niyo naman yung view. It's very... it's a sight to see. Lalo na siguro kung yung binok ko is yung nandito sa side, yung may pool area and all. Pero AV Suites, you know? Baka naman. So yeah, again, please wait for the series coming weekly every Sunday. So yeah, see you guys. See you, the crew.